Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So the One UI 8 update was released for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but now the One UI 8.5 update is on the line, and the good part is that the One UI 8.5 is eligible for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. From Sam Mobile, we have this tentative device list of One UI 8.5 update, and in it, the One UI 8.5 update is eligible for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, keep in mind that this might be the last update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as the One UI 9 update will not be available as it has already hit its maximum years of update, that is 4 years of major updates. So the One UI 8.5 update along with the Android 16 will be the last update of this Galaxy S22 Ultra. But no worries, this One UI 8.5 update is a lot. As you guys can see on the screen right now, the One UI 8.5 apps will look like this. The calculator app, the Samsung Internet app, all of these apps will get this pill-like menu option. Also, the voice recorder app will also get enhanced. As you guys can see, this is how the voice recorder app will look like in the One UI 8.5 update. Also, the quick panel will be more customizable now. You can change the orientation of the volume and the brightness bars the way you like it, from horizontal to vertical, and the icons will be also a bit changed. There will be a 3D look this time around. You will also get to see that pill-like search bar over here as well. And if you talk about the smoothness and animations, so that will be also improved with the One UI 8.5 update. You will get to see more smoother animations while opening and closing of different apps. Now, if we talk about the release date of the One UI 8.5 update, so the Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled on the February 25th, and in it, the One UI 8.5 update will be released with the Galaxy S26 series. So first of all, the One UI 8.5 update will be available for the Galaxy S25 series, and after that it will be released for the Galaxy S24, then S23, and then you can expect this update on the Galaxy S22 series. So most probably in the month of April or May, you can get this update on the Galaxy S22 series. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.